Hello, my name is Joe Student, and I have read the PDF that this link for adult students takes you to, and I'm ready to get started. And it looks like the way to get started is to click this button that says Get Started. So I'll click it. And it wants to know my first name. Okay, Joe. By the way, my middle name is Abe, A-B-E. My last name is Student. And my email address is joe.abe.student@gmail.com. And my password will be, let's see, COA 1234 exclamation point. It says use at least one uppercase letter. Okay. Capital COA 1234 exclamation point. Okay. And my zip code is 27909. And I think it would be best if I used COA 1234 for my Power School ID. And I'm going to sign up for EdReady. Oh, it needs a strong password. Oh, it needs more characters. Okay. How about COA 12345 exclamation point. COA 12345 exclamation point. Well, what in the world? Am I not seeing something? Let me zoom in a bit here. One uppercase letter, I did that. Oh, I didn't do a lowercase letter. Gee, they're tough. Okay, capital C, lowercase OA, 1234, that's 7 characters, and an exclamation point makes 8. Capital C, OA, 1234, and an exclamation point. There. Now I'm going to sign up for EdReady. Never. And I'm going to restore the Zoom. Okay, so the account registration has been submitted, and a confirmation email will, I'll bet that's it waiting for me right there. So I open up that email. Dear Joe, thanks, we're happy to meet you. Please confirm your new account by clicking the link below. Then go ahead and start using EdReady. Okay, looks like I'm ready. Now I'll type in my password, capital COA 1234 exclamation point, and log into EdReady. Okay, so I need to ask my teacher for a key, it appears. Let me go get her. Okay, I've got my key. I'll put it in. Oh, look, that's my middle name. And I'll submit. I have selected DMA10 ABE.A. Yes, that's right. And get started. Okay, so here are my goals so far. And I want to go to that goal. And as I recall when I read the documentation earlier, this is a diagnostic test. If I score a 90 or better, I think I get to move on to DMA 20. But if I don't, I'll work in a study path to learn the material. So I'll go ahead and start the diagnostic. And it says, expect to take about an hour. I'll pause this recording and so you don't have to watch the whole thing, but I'll show you a few questions, what it looks like anyway. So I'll click Start Test Now. And here's my first question. Tony rounded each of the numbers 1600 and 1483 to the nearest thousand. So which choice correctly compares the rounded numbers? Well, that's closer to 2000 than it is to 1000. And that's closer to 1000 than it is to 2000. So 2000 and 1000. 2000 is greater than 1000 would be the true statement. So I'll submit that. Now, I don't want to make 100 on this because then I won't be able to show people other stuff that this software does. So I'm going to get this one wrong on purpose. Let's see, that's 500,000, so I'll say it's 50,000 and get it wrong. And the total fencing needed would be twice the length plus twice the width. So that's 44 plus 28. I'll get this one wrong too, and I'll say it's 44. And which one shows the product of 23 and 39? Oh, let's say it's this one. And now I'm going to pause this video and finish this thing up, and then before I submit it, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, I'm done with the diagnostic, and now I get to view the results. And it says I got an 80, and it looks like my target is more than that. I think it's a 90, so I need to study these and these, and I've mastered this one. So I can't read these things. That says needs review, mastered, and view study path. Let's go ahead and view the study path. So the units I need to study to reach my target score are shown on the score bar at the top of the page. The units are shown in the suggested order of study, but I can do any order I want to. So you learn to study the recommended topics, but if I think I just already know it, I can test to see if I can test out of that topic. Either way, be sure to test after you've studied to see if you've mastered the material. So let's close this and take a look at some of the stuff in here. Yeah, my target goal is a 90. How do I do that? Can't click on that. Oh, these are the things I need to study. So I learn by clicking that. And we have a warm-up, a presentation, worked examples, topic, text, practice, and review. I'll let you guys look at those things on your own when you're playing around with them. I've seen them though; they're pretty good. So I'm going to go back to the study path, and then I'm going to do the unit test. So 1,500 times 10 is 15,000. 150,000 divided by 100 is 1,500. 150 times 1,000 is 150,000. And 1,500 divided by 10 is 150. Uh, 22 times 49 is 980 plus 98. That would be 1,080 minus 2, 1,078. Okay, double this and double that. So that's 48 plus 26. 68 plus 6 is 74. Oops. $200,602. 200,000 plus 600 plus 2. Okay, so my target score is now greater than 90. What's next? I can either continue studying and approve that, or I can go to my account. Let's go to my account. Oh, there's no need to go to my account, I guess. That's where I can change my account information, but I don't want to do that. I think I'll just log out now and tell my teacher that I'm ready for the test. So I'll log out. And so that's the end of my video. I'll see you once again when my instructor gives me the test.